off-road. Let's go, let's go.
Alright, man. Alright.
Okay, cool.
Alright, cool. Beautiful day for some camping, huh?
Amazing. What are we building today?
We're going to be building an off-road saharaS.
Okay, you ready?
I'm totally ready.
Alright,
Let's do this.
I got my guns.
You guys. Whoa, wow.
Here's our hammer. We have two hammers. Yeah.
We do have two hammers.
Oh, there's a double door.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a triple door.
Triple door.
Yes.
This is my protection. You're on your own, buddy.
What, you gonna attend with me without protection?
I'm gonna take out your knee and run when the bear comes, so the bear will get you and not me.
Let's go hunt the bears.
Brave new road, off-road. Let's go.